Hi friends, this is RP. So today a decent uptick. Nifty closed above 300, 17,300. So positive sign. So as we discussed in previous videos also, 17,000 is a decent support for the Nifty. So if now the hurdle is 17,400 and 17,500. This is the spot levels. Supply zone is 17,410 to 17,490 and demand is at 17,030 and 16,930 for the Nifty spot. So now we'll see the Bank Nifty also. So this is Bank Nifty daily candlestick chart. In previous video we discussed the support areas 35,000 and 35,500. So if you see today, it took support at 35,500 level and closed at 35,847. Now the resistance is 36,000 and after that 36,430. So this zone 36,430 and 36,700, this is the supply zone. This will act as resistance the coming days. On the downside, 35,000 and 34,700 will act as a strong support for the coming days. I'm expecting a expiry, monthly F&O expiry may happen near 36,000. So these are the Bank Nifty. So now we'll see how we traded Nifty Futures and Bank Nifty Futures and what are the levels for trading tomorrow. So this is the Nifty Futures levels. Yesterday we discussed where we have to buy and where we have to sell. So this is our upside breakout level. It has given a breakout and given a decent profit. And downside, yesterday we discussed 17,145, but the price doesn't come to down. So this breakout level we made a profit. And the levels for tomorrow, so we'll buy above 17,390 and we'll sell below 17,325, keeping a stop loss of 0.25%. This is the Nifty Futures levels. We have to use only futures chart, 5-minute candlestick. So next Bank Nifty also we'll see now. So Bank Nifty, yeah. So Bank Nifty, this is the yesterday's levels, but it has given a loss today. Reason is it has given a breakout here, but we are not met 150 points upside. It has given a 0.25% loss in this candle. So we made a loss in Bank Nifty, but we made a profit in Nifty Futures. Strictly our rules, right? So if you trade in the last hour, so this is the breakout. Here it has given a 150 points profit, right? So one trade loss, one trade profit in Bank Nifty, and Nifty one trade profit. So for tomorrow levels this. So we'll buy above 36,120 and we'll sell below 35,780 with a stop loss of 0.25%. Bank Nifty Futures. Now we'll see two stocks for a positional trading with demand and supply levels. So this is DIVIs Laboratories. So last trading day it has given a decent uptick with a volume. So we can expect this stock will move upwards. The supply is here. So we can expect this level may test in coming days. 4,930 and 5,070 is the supply area. So good demand now is placed here. So we can buy in this zone 4,410 and 443.70. So this is the good buying area, keeping a stop loss below 4350 is the stop loss and aim for a target of 4,900 to 5,000. A simple trade plan in DIVIs Lab. So the wave formation also wave. This is the wave correction and extension. So this extension will lead to this area. So opportunity for a buying with a strict stop loss below 4350 DIVIs Lab. Next stock is the Delta Corp. Again buying opportunity. Any pullback can be bought. The entry may be somewhere here. So watch this stock. We can buy around 320, 325 level. Keep a stop loss below 318 and aim for a target of 358 to 400 levels. First level is 358, and after that we can expect 400. So Delta Corp is a buying opportunity at 320 or 22 kind of levels, and stick stop loss below 300 and below 18, 318 below, and aim for a target of 358 to 400 levels in coming days. This is the positional opportunity in Delta Corp. So one more stock we'll see now. This is Ipca Lab, decent up movement today. So this consolidation area has given a breakout. So our entry is around 1030, 1035 kind of levels. Keep a stop loss around 980 and aim for a target of 1125 to 1130. So the simple plan for Ipca Lab. For it, this is also a positional trade. So tomorrow's video, we'll see a few more stocks along with the Nifty, Bank Nifty Futures, and also the overall market condition. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share it to your friends. If you're not subscribed to channel, please subscribe. Thank you.